How to fix an update is required to use cellular data on your iPhone. If you're seeing a message in settings that says an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone, don't worry. There are a few steps you can take to fix it. Step 1. Turn airplane mode on and off. 1. Open settings and enable airplane mode. 2. Wait a few seconds, then turn airplane mode off. This refreshes your phone's connection to the network and might resolve the issue. If not, move on to the next step. Step 2. Toggle cellular data, off and on. 1. In settings, tap cellular just below Bluetooth. 2. Turn cellular data off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. If you have an eSIM, follow these steps. 1. Scroll down to your eSIM settings and disable it. 2. Wait a few moments, then re-enable your eSIM. For physical SIM cards, remove your SIM card, wait a few seconds, then insert it back in. This helps your phone reconnect to your carrier network. Step 3. Check for carrier settings updates. 1. Go back to Settings and General and About. 2. If a pop-up appears saying, Carrier Settings Update Available, tap Update. Even if your iOS is up to date, your carrier settings might need updating to keep your connection working properly. Step 4. Update your iPhone's software. 1. In Settings, go to General Software Update. 2. If an update is available, install it. iOS updates often include bug fixes that can resolve network issues. Step 5. Reset network settings. 1. In Settings, go to General Transfer or Reset iPhone. 2. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. This will reset all network-related settings, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular configurations, but won't erase your personal data. Final thoughts. After following these steps, your cellular data should start working again. If the issue persists, contact Apple support or your carrier for further assistance. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching.